Hello and welcome to this abstract reasoning tutorial. My name is Matthew and in this video I'll be going through 3 common abstract reasoning questions. Before I go through each of the questions, I'll be setting a 20-second timer so that you can have a go at the questions yourself. And then once the timer runs out, I'll go through how to get the correct answer. All of the questions that I'll be going over will look similar to this one. To answer these questions, you need to be able to spot the pattern that the series follows, and then you'll be able to work out what the next figure will look like. So give this question a go yourself, and once the time is up, I'll go through it. Okay, so this question has 3 rules. The first is that the black circle moves 1 space downwards. So we can work out that in the next figure, the black circle should be here in the middle row. So we can rule out C. The second rule is that the cross moves 1 space to the right. So we can work out that in the next figure, the cross should be here in the middle. So we can eliminate B. And the final rule is that the heart alternates between being in the top left and the bottom left. So we can work out that in the next figure, the heart should be here in the bottom left, meaning that the correct answer is A. Now on to the second question. Like last time, I'll give you 20 seconds and then I'll go through the question. Okay, so this question has 2 rules. The first is that the number of overlapping squares increases by 1. So in the first figure, there's 1 set of overlapping squares. In the next, there are 2, then there are 3, and then there are 4. So in the next figure, there should be 5 sets of overlapping squares. A only has 4 sets of overlapping squares, so we can rule out A. And the second rule is that the number of single squares decreases by 1. So we can work out that in the next figure, there should only be 2 single squares, meaning that the correct answer is C. Now on to the last question, and again I'll give you 20 seconds and then I'll go through the question. Okay, so this series has 2 rules. The first is that the circle and triangle change between being black and white. So we can work out that in the next figure, the triangle should be black and the circle should be white. So we can rule out A and D. The second rule is that the triangle moves around the figure in a clockwise direction. So we can work out that in the next figure, the triangle should be here in the bottom right, meaning that the correct answer is B. So those are all of the questions that I have for you in this video. I hope that they helped you, and if they did, please like the video and subscribe. And thank you for watching.